Hello, people. Hello, Africa. How are you all doing? In today's video, I'm talking about the top 5 most profitable business ideas for Ghana in 2026. My name is Rufo Chifu, and you're welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. Without wasting any time, we go straight into the video. The first on my list is cocoa processing and premium chocolate manufacturing. Now, if you see here, I have given this business 5 stars. Like, Ghana is one of the world's largest cocoa producers, okay? Like, they produce a lot of cocoa. And believe me, processed cocoa products earn very, very high profits when you're exporting them. So, if you want to come to Ghana, or if you're already in Ghana, then this is a business that should be on your list. It should be on your list because that is part of Ghana. Like, cocoa is part of Ghana. Okay, so put this business on a list. Come to Ghana, invest in this business. Now, businesses you can start in this sector is you can start a chocolate manufacturing factory. You can do cocoa powder production, cocoa butter processing, chocolate drink production, and cocoa cosmetics manufacturing. So these are some opportunities in this sector that you can start. And I want to say this, my Ghanaian people, if you're watching me right now, drop me a comment, okay? And I want you to challenge me. What I'm saying, is it right? Is it correct for Ghana or it's wrong? If you're from Ghana, let me know, okay? I want to see you. I want to know you. Let's make Africa great again. And number 2 on my list is gold refining and jewelry manufacturing. Now, I also gave this 5 stars, okay? Because Ghana produced a record 6 million ounces of gold in 2025, and this makes it Africa's largest gold producer. So that just goes to say anything gold in Ghana is a big business. They don't take gold for jokes. You understand? So it's a big business in Ghana, and believe me, being Africa's largest gold producer means the business is booming. Okay, and of course, if you want to look at their export that was generated in the first half of 2026, it was about 12.5 billion US dollars. Guys, this is no joke. It's a huge opportunity if you want to do any kind of business in Ghana. Gold refining and jewelry manufacturing should be on your list, okay? And the opportunities or the 5 businesses that you can start is you can start a gold refinery, you can put up a jewelry manufacturing business, a luxury jewelry brand, or a gold bullion trading. Now, if you want me to break this down, so that you have a better understanding, then drop me a comment. I'm going to do that. Okay. And mind you, the businesses that I've selected here are specific and unique to Ghana. You are not going to find these kind of opportunities in any other country in Africa. All of this will be in Ghana. Number 3 here is also having a 5-star, which is fintech and digital payment solutions. And the Ghana's ICT sector is one of the fastest growing sectors in the country. And of course, it has grown by 20.2% in 2025. Okay. And other businesses are rapidly adopting digital payments and business management software. So fintech, digital payment solutions in Ghana is fast becoming the way to go. Just like, in many other African countries, but Ghana is like kind of like leading, like one of the fastest. So taking this into consideration, you can come to Ghana and do this business. As a foreigner, as a local, look at entering into the fintech and digital payment solutions space. And what you can do is you can, start a mobile app for payments, mobile payment app, SME accounting software, ERP software company, digital lending platforms, payroll software company. Okay. Before I continue, guys, if you want to travel to Ghana for any business, contact Moss Travels and Tours. Like, contact them right now. They're going to help you with visa application, hotel bookings, airport meet and greet, flight ticketing, and company formation in Ghana. These are their numbers here. You can call, you can WhatsApp this number here, and believe me, as I tell you, they are trustworthy, they are legit. You're going to have a value for your money and you're not going to regret it. I am the one recommending this most travels and tours to you. So if you're watching me right now and you want to travel to Ghana, contact the numbers on the screen. I can guarantee for them, I can vouch for them. Okay? So number 4 on my list is non-traditional export manufacturing. Non-traditional means it's not the normal, in Ghana. And if you see here, I gave it 4-star, which implies the other ones are better than, when I say better, I mean in terms of order, okay? And non-traditional exports reach 5.01 billion in 2025, and it's up already by 30.7% year on year this year, 2026. And the government policies strongly support value-added exports, like anything that is supposed to add value. The government is supporting this, the Ghanaian government. And the business you can start here is shea butter cosmetic factory, cashew processing plant, dried fruit factory, spice processing company, and herbal products manufacturing. Okay, so do any business in this sector, you're going to come back here and thank me. You'll be a billionaire or a millionaire. I mean, you're going to make money. Okay. So let's go to number 5 on my list, which is commercial agribusiness and agro processing. Okay. Just for you to know, agriculture employs nearly 48% of Ghana's workforce. 48% of Ghana's workforce. It means almost everybody, almost half of the country is into agriculture. So if you do anything in this space, you're going to make money. There is demand for processed food in Ghana. Is growing in the whole of West Africa. You can tap into that market and in the whole of Africa. So Ghana is taking agribusiness seriously, so you can come into this space. And the business that you can start here is tomato processing factory. You can set up a rice milling plant, cassava starch factory, fruit juice factory, and poultry feed manufacturing. Now, if you want any of these businesses, I have the business plans. Okay, I can make them available for you. If you just contact me right now, I'll send you an executive summary and you can make your decision whether you want to come. And if you want to come to Ghana, contact Most Travels and Tours. I'll go back to the slide where you have their numbers. They will help you come to Ghana and you can come and do business legit. Okay, we don't want fake people in Africa. We want legit people into Ghana. Okay, so if you are a foreigner and want to come, this is the list I've made for you. I've just tried to arrange this in order. So number 1 here is cocoa processing and premium chocolate manufacturing. Number 2 will be, my number 2 for you will be gold refining and jewelry manufacturing. My number 3 for you will be fintech and digital payment solution, non-traditional export manufacturing, and commercial agribusiness. So if you're a foreigner, you want to come in the country, this is my list in order of, how I see it. Okay. So let me take this moment now to tell you about the Koopi app. Koopi is Africa's business fixer. Okay, it's an ERP application that fixes processes. This was developed by us here in Cameroon, but it works for any business all across Africa. So if you're running a restaurant business, any of the businesses that I listed above, you can use Koopi application to run your business. Now, I'm going to show you a bit how that works. Now, this is a Koopi app dashboard. You have, total sales, cost of goods sold, expenses of the month, profits, outstanding balances, and you can create customers and invoice them. These are the customers I have here. These are all the invoices, all the payments, and you also have suppliers as well. You manage your suppliers on the platform. Supplier invoices, all expenses, you key them in by just clicking on new expense. And there is also inventory. If I click on this inventory, I'll see all the movements, opening stock, current stock, what has gone in, what has gone out. And you have a POS module as well. You have a bank module. Everything is right here on your bank accounts. You see all your balance in your bank accounts. And of course, there is also a ledger. And Koopi is a multi-branch application where you can come to report and you can see group reports. So for each branch, headquarters, Femakan branch, Boya branch, you see total sales, total collected, outstanding, and so on and so forth. It's also got a tax management where you can input tasks for your employees and you follow up from there. So guys, that is Koopi app for you. If you're running any small businesses, medium, big business, contact us. We are going to set this up for you. You can also visit www.koopi.com and have a look at what is there. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. A lot of you watch me without subscribing. I don't know why, guys. So Click on the subscribe button right now, like, share this video to other people, share it on your WhatsApp, share it on your Facebook. Support the channel by just sharing. And drop me a comment. Let me know which country you want me to cover next. And I'll do that just for you because I love Africa. If you're from Ghana, give me thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll do more videos for your country. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.